Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on payroll with Paychex, full guide step by step clearly. To save on payroll with Paychex, start by understanding your payroll needs. Evaluate the size of your workforce and the complexity of your payroll requirements. Choose the right Paychex package that aligns with your business size and payroll needs. Consider using Paychex's employee self-service options to reduce administrative burden. Encourage employees to input their hours and manage their information directly. Implement Paychex's automated payroll processing features to minimize errors and save time. Take advantage of direct deposit to streamline payments and reduce check printing costs. Utilize tax management services offered by Paychex to ensure compliance and avoid penalties. Regularly review payroll reports and analytics provided by Paychex to identify opportunities for cost reduction. Explore employee benefits through Paychex to potentially save on payroll taxes. Consider adding a payroll tax service to ensure timely payments and accurate filings. Schedule regular training sessions for staff on using Paychex software efficiently. Regularly assess your payroll processes and make adjustments as needed to improve efficiency. Stay informed about updates to Paychex services that may offer new cost-saving opportunities. Review your service levels periodically to ensure you're not overpaying for unnecessary features. Engage with Paychex representatives to discuss customized solutions that could further reduce your payroll costs. By following these steps, you can effectively save on payroll while using Paychex. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.